Milwaukee. The proper knives for throwing. I'm seriously thinking, should I keep going through my pocket knife instead those ones which are made for? And I'm thinking about really stable reason to do that. Hi, that was a really nice, relaxing day until somebody said, "Snake, snake outside." Now I'm looking for this snake. Where the snake can be? There it is, I found it. It looked like venomous snake. Looked like rattlesnake. I should keep distance. Good that I found it before snake finds somebody else. And what I should do now? I need to act quickly. I got nothing to defend myself of this snake. And really, all my tools are far away, and the snake will run and hide somewhere, and everybody is in danger. I should do something right now. I cannot waste more time. The only thing that I have with me and I need to use it is my pocket knife. I think I get it. That was so close. There is usually no rattlesnakes in my area, but who knows? This one probably get lost and appear in my backyard. This one was better option, but I had just the pocket knife with me, and that worked perfect. Thank you for watching. First try. Pocket knife. I need to trust it. I'm pretty sure this snake trying to attack me. I need to defend myself. Why I still keep throwing my pocket knives?